Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be playing bird things with this guy. That's his name. I don't feel like saying it. He said hi. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, man. you just stop talking. You just stop talking all of a sudden. Out of nowhere. What? Man, how do you get hype seeds? How do you get hype seeds, man? How do you get hype seeds? How do you get hype seeds? Okay. But guys, we just did this over here, so we just got the OG hat and what are we doing? Uh okay. What he said? Well, I'm gonna get the fire. I'm gonna get the. He's creepy. I'm gonna get the fire, cause he said burn the universe down. So I assumed that would mean fire. I got a lot of money, so. No, I don't. I'm making myself one. This one is for me. Shoo. Get. Well, don't steal it from me. You steal it from me, you're good. What are you looking at? What was that? Okay, I'll make you one. Hold on. You fine with drinking skull, mushroom, and greens? This is cool, bro. This is cool. Oh. Oh, they cost money. I don't want to pay money. No, I'm good. Oh, this would have been helpful. This would have been helpful when I first played, bro. And I didn't even see it. I didn't even see this over here. Where are you? Where are? Oh, you're right here. Yeah, and I'm right behind you. Okay, let's go kill some people. The only bad thing about this is it's not long range, so you have to get up close. Get up close and personal. I don't wanna get personal with them. I wanna say far away. Is that a pyromaniac? Oh my god, I'm dead. And I'm not shooting, and I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna get a different. I'm gonna get another power. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna go get a power. You go. You do that. You do you. I'm gonna go get a very certain power. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh. I gotta get out of here. Come on, Gleep Glorp. It's not as loud as name, by the way. You guys name my pet. You guys at home name my pet. What's up, bro? What's a scuba doing, bro? I think it was golden egg. And greens. It was. I told you that, bro. What do you mean? I literally told you that, bro. Oh, it's a different. Oh, well, let me buy you some money, or some greens. Here you go. Oh, I thought I just lasered them off, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go kill some humans while you do that. They couldn't even see me. Ah! Can't die. I'm just that good. I genuinely can't die. So I'm just that good. Yep, eat up, my child. You're eating good tonight, bro. I said eat up, my child. Oh, and all the limbs are over there. All the limbs are over here, bro. Hold on. Let me just grab some of these. Let me just grab some of these limbs. There you go. Yep. Eat up, my child. Eat up. Eat up. Eat up. Eat up. Eat up. Eat up, my child. Eat up. Eat up. Eat up. Don't. Come on. Just eat. Oh. Oh. I died. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm crying because it's so funny. I'm gonna end the video here. Maybe in the next video I'll try to get all the powers.